Let's understand DTUs and vCores. DTUs and vCores are both resource metrics you'll encounter when deploying Azure SQL databases or Azure SQL managed instances. They are designed to help you tailor your SQL service to your application's specific performance and resource needs. DTUs, Database Transaction Units. Definition: a blended measure of CPU, memory, read and writes operations. Scenarios and use cases. Simpler pricing: if you prefer a simple, bundled price that includes compute, storage, and backup, then DTU might be easier to manage. Less customization, suitable for smaller businesses or individual developers who do not want to manage resources independently. Quick setup: DTU-based models generally require less initial setup and are quicker to get up and running. vCores, virtual cores. Definition: offers independent scaling of compute, storage, and I/O resources. Scenarios and use cases. Granular control, ideal for businesses that need more control over their individual compute and storage resources. Migration: it's easier to map your on-premises workload to vCores, making this option better for lift and shift migrations. Resource-intensive applications, best for applications that have specific performance requirements, like high CPU or memory. Key differences. 1. Resource measurement. DTUs, a bundled unit of compute, memory, and I/O resources. vCores, separately build compute, memory, and I/O resources. 2. Customization. DTUs, limited to the resources bundled in the selected pricing tier. vCores, complete control over the number of cores, amount of memory, and storage type. 3. Pricing model. DTUs, simplified pricing model covering all database resources. vCores, more granular, resource-specific pricing. 4. Migration friendliness. DTUs, less straightforward for mapping on-premises workloads. vCores, easier to relate to on-premises hardware, aiding in migrations. 5. Scalability. DTUs, generally suited for less resource-intensive apps. vCores, designed for resource-intensive and enterprise-level applications. Summary. DTUs, a blended unit covering compute, memory, and I/O, ideal for simpler pricing and less customization. vCores, offer granular control over each resource, suitable for more complex and resource-intensive applications. Key differences vary in resource measurement, customization options, pricing model, migration friendliness, and scalability. Scenarios and use cases. DTU for simpler, quick setup projects. vCores for resource-intensive, enterprise-level or migrating projects. Understanding the difference between DTUs and vCores is crucial for optimizing resource allocation and cost. Each metric serves specific scenarios, and understanding these can significantly enhance the efficiency and performance of your Azure SQL deployments. Thanks for watching.